Avatar Medical: Unlocking the Power of Medical Images for Surgeons.
The key benefit for surgeons using Avatar Medical is to perform efficient analysis, memory retention, and to improve the workflow and the collaboration. So it gives us the opportunity to get higher productivity, less mistakes, informed surgical decision, and precision surgery. So we performed some studies, and recently we published in JCO a comparative study with 18 surgeons of Institut Curie breast cancer surgical department, 90 breast cancer MRIs, and we compare how all these surgeons that are quite trained, because the number of cases we take care here is very large. So we compare standard packs and versus Avatar Medical. And what was very impressive is that we get a lot of time. We run 4 times faster using Avatar Medical compared to any slice-based platform. So that's a huge improvement, because if you perform 1,000 surgery a year, it's 1,000 multiplied by 4. So that's a great opportunity to spare some money and time and to perform other things during this time. So the second point is that we perform 25% less mistake when we use the Avatar Medical platform compared to the standard slice-based platform on breast determination, surgical strategy, number of lesion identification, breast quadrant. And what was another interesting point is that when we use Avatar Medical with the junior surgeon, immediately they get almost the same result that the senior surgeon. So that's an improvement, and it allowed us to give the opportunity to a junior resident to get a very high performance in MRI lectures. So that's pretty great. We published a case report in British Medical Journal, and we were able to show that Avatar Medical was a support to perform precision partial mastectomy. Here it's a very large multifocal tumor. We didn't know if we were able to perform a conservative treatment. We didn't know if we were able to really catch everything. And so we used Avatar Medical to better determine where were these different nodes. And when we performed the surgery, we performed a complastic surgery. We were able to get everything to get a free margin and to get a nice aesthetic result. So that was a huge improvement compared to what potentially we'll do using the MRI slide-based routine, where a lot of people would say, okay, let's go for a full mastectomy. We were able to improve our surgery for very multifocal. On the left part of your screen, you see there is very tiny nodes, 6 different nodes. We were very able to see that in detail before performing the surgery. So the same, to perform precision partial mastectomy, you need to know better from your MRI. And the other point on the right side, on blue, you see a lot of DCIS in the lower part of the breast, and the same, we get a lot from this information to improve our surgery. Here is about visualization of vascularization. Using this Avatar Medical system, we are very able to see where are the arteries, the vein, and to determine which road we should use to when we perform a complastic surgery, and we are eventually able to discuss research question here, because it's a lot of information that we don't use in clinical routine. Another point is to compare before and after neoadjuvant treatment. On the left side, you see the tumor, two nodes, two lump in the breast, and a lot of lymph nodes. That was before standard neoadjuvant chemotherapy, and you see after the neoadjuvant chemotherapy, just before the surgery, the huge reduction of the cancer volume in the breast and in the lymph node. So you can compare that, and you have a very accurate perception of what does that mean in terms of tumor volume reduction. So we identified key benefits for the patient from a study of 70 cases. We were able to really see that there is a better understanding of the surgical decision. And we were even able to convince some patients using these devices. So what surgeons said is that I'm more confident in my surgical decision in 77%. I can better remember the image over time. I can better collaborate with the radiologist, and I can better train the interns for all of these topics. Avatar medical platform sounds to be very useful in the routine.